Hey guys, what's back with another video. I'm at my Gigi's house, my grandma. So, got the chip and got a bag of Takis. I've never ate Takis before, but I'm gonna eat a whole one. So my brother's right here, and he gets to pick how many Takis I eat. Alright, so here's the first one. Five Takis, guys. I got a Gatorade right here. It's lemon lime, so good.
Take my time. Mama.
This is the fourth. Fifth. This is the last one, guys. I have to eat two more, guys.
No, after that.
So I have to eat two more Takis?
Yeah.
Two more, guys. That's 8.
Do you like it? I'm a bacon now. Oh my god.
Is that all?
Uh-huh.
I don't have to eat any more. Guys, one more. It's 9. Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat one more. That's 10. One more. Finally, I can take a drink. Lemon lime. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Whew. I'm gonna eat some baked chips. Bye, guys. Peace out.